Good morning, guys. I'm back. How are you? You guys miss me? Morning. Hello. Yeah, I'm back. Mm, yeah, I'm feeling way better. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I miss you guys too. Yeah. Hopefully, we have a better week. Last week was very messy, very choppy. Price action was ugly. I didn't trade much, to be honest, last week, but I did watch the charts a little bit. And there are a lot of charts that I like it for buying shares for long term and also for swing trades. But I need a little bit more confirmation for swing trades to the upside, but I do like a lot. I bought a lot of shares on Amazon, Microsoft, Palantir, Hood, Oracle. My secret project is still secret. I'll let you guys know when it's ready. Remember, I'm gonna start the futures challenge next month. So get ready for that. Start passing eval so you can follow along with my trades. I'm gonna start the futures challenge the first week of next month, and all accounts are gonna be funded accounts. Am I getting married? No. If I told you what happened to me on Valentine's Day, I had the worst Valentine's Day ever. But I don't even want to talk about that. Let's talk about trading. You marry me? I'm just gonna say, after these Valentine's, now I understand why there's so many people that are single. Any charts you guys like for today? Dow is very green. I never checked the Dow. I don't know why, but I always forget about the Dow. I check, obviously, ESNQ and IWM from time to time. I don't really pay attention to the Dow. Really nice bounce on Apple. Whoa, okay. Do we have any data today? People are single because guys are playing TikTok. Because girls are playing TikTok and guys are playing video game. No data, strong data. You always ask that. Yeah, why not? You guys know more than me, so I trust you guys for that. So we're holding previous day low. That's pretty good. That's pretty good so far. Can you guys hear the music? Yes, okay. Is it good? Is it too loud? Low? It's perfect? Okay, awesome. Okay, so we're way above pre-market high. We're holding previous day low, which is pretty good. The market so far is very strong. You don't know about good? Nice bounce on the markets. A pullback to pre-market high could be a good pullback long opportunity. Yeah, I think a pullback here. I'd like to see that. Same thing here on ES. TPT has a rule that you have to trade at least once a week for 1 minute. What do you do if you're traveling? Do they close the account, the funded account? I don't know. I've never not traded for a week. And if they do that, just click buy and sell one time. And that's it. Yeah, I guess you can contact them, yes. Okay, let's see if the market is gonna hold here. The trade have to be open at least 1 minute on the asset you're mostly trading. Okay, I'm gonna try a long here on ES. Let's see. It's gonna hold it. This is also SPY VWAP. I don't like that candle. Yikes. Ew, yeah. No. That was ugly. SPY QQ lost the VWAP. That is no bueno. Hi dear, do you keep on or off or adjust for contract changes on TradingView when doing technicals? I don't understand your question. Okay, look how the candlesticks are forming. Look at these price actions. So far, I don't like these price actions. Moving just like last week. Hey Breed, how are ya? Okay, so SPY and QQQ just rejected the VWAP. We could not hold pre-market high. Yikes. What happened? Do we have news? What a fake out. That's ugly. Ugly price action so far. Let's see if we're gonna go now to Friday's lows on ES. And the Q2. Yeah, these 30-minute candles are looking ugly. It's now frozen. I'm watching here on my YouTube. It's working fine. Yeah, I don't like this price action, guys. I don't like how the candlesticks are forming. The price action is weird. Look at that. Yep, I don't like this. Look at that. What's going on? Do we have anyone talking? Like, it's Trump talking? The Feds are speaking right now? What's going on? Okay, thank you. Okay, let's see how we're gonna react to pre-market low here. Around 520 on the Q and 805 on ES. 810, 805. Oh, really? So I guess that was war news. Nvidia is pretty weak. 3.1% inflation. Okay. SMH is very, very weak. Amazon is going for the gap that I post on my watch list for today. I want to see that gap getting filled on Amazon. I also want to see AMD going for the big gap that it has below. Huge. That's an ugly move in the market. $520, $528, $520, $530, very important level for NQ. Yes, 805. 805, and then I will say 800. Let's see if NQ is gonna hold 520. I'm gonna try it out. Let's see. Can he hold it? Yeah, it doesn't look like it wants to. But we'll see. Okay, bye. Yeah, it looks like it's a bear day, bear market. Under Enki under 520. It's pretty bearish. But this level here, 800 on ES, is extremely important. Did I get a fake out here? I already have 2 red trades. I only have to play 1 more because that's my rule. 3 red trades and I'm out. So I don't think I'm gonna take any other trade in the morning. I might wait for the afternoon and see where the market is going after this big move to the downside here. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna take any more trades on the stream. I gotta follow my rules. Not the best start for the week, but it is what it is. I think on both trades, I should have been more patient and wait a little bit more for an entry. Look at that. Look at that hold on ES. So technically we are trading, like ES is trading inside the range still. A little bit on the lower end of the range, but still inside the range. Hey Fisher. I like this hold here on NQ, but again, I don't like how the market is moving. I don't like this price action. Both. You can trade ES or NQ, both pretty much the same. When you have volatility in the markets, it's the same. Don't you see how both are moving exactly the same? Look at that. Look at the candlesticks are exactly the same. The weird price action is exactly the same. You have fake outs at the top, fake outs at the bottom. This hold here could be very, very interesting, but like I said before, I don't like this price action, so it's pretty difficult for me to trust it. The 30-minute candles are looking like a rejection candle. Is this a big head and shoulder here on NQ? It could be. If we have a reaction here, it could be on the head and shoulder neck. Yeah, on the neckline. Same thing on ES. But ES is holding it. If NQ cannot hold this little support here, it's definitely gonna go lower. I like this possible head and shoulder playing out here on NQ. But before taking any trade, I want to see this 30-minute candle closing like that, and I want to see NQ losing this little support here. Pretty much today's lows. Someone said it is an outside day. I would say it is an outside day if ES can lose these lows. That's last week's lows. Yeah. 800. ES needs to lose 800. Yeah, I'm back. I'm back streaming from Monday till Thursday, yes. Also 179, 180 on Nvidia, it's pretty important. Apple is pretty bullish today. I was not expecting that. What do you think for weekly puts on Qs or SPY? I think the same thing what I said before. The levels, you gotta watch the levels. If ES cannot lose that level, there's no reason for me to look for a downside play. Yeah, that's true. Let's see if NQ's gonna react Friday's lows. Amazon is holding pretty good now. Yeah, look at that. Look at this price action, guys. Yeah, I'm not trading this. But you know what I do like? I like Microsoft. I like Microsoft. I like Apple. I'm sorry, I like Amazon. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy Microsoft. 400 calls for June. Yeah. My stop loss is gonna be last week's lows. I like that trade. Whoa, okay. And I got also Microsoft 200 calls for September. So I got those two trades, swing trades. My stop loss on Amazon is gonna be 194. Yeah, I really like those two charts. Microsoft and Amazon both are swing trades that most likely I'm gonna hold for at least 2-3 months. I really like this Nvidia 179, 180 hold. But I think Nvidia has earnings coming up. When is it? Oh, on the 26th. So yeah, is it next week? We're 2 weeks out? Yeah, it's next week. So yeah, I'm not touching Nvidia. Even though it can give you a nice little bounce play this week. I could play Nvidia earnings with shares. That's another thing I can do too, but I think I'm good with Amazon and Microsoft. Okay, so we're holding here. I really like this 561 hold on NQ, 815 hold on ES. But can we trust this move? I don't know. Can you trust anything based on this price action? Yikes. Yeah, I don't like this. Let me see if we can find any other swing trade. Palette. Yeah, nothing else that I love. I think Microsoft and Amazon are the ones that I like the most. Like it. If you can play it with shares, even better. I think Google is due for more downside, and that's definitely gonna drag the NQ lower. I like to see Google to 290, 294 maybe. Walmart, let's see. No, Walmart, guys, you need to look for things that are pulling back to key support levels. Walmart, it's been up too much. You need a good pullback to play the upside continuation. I don't want to trade something, I don't want to buy something that it's at almost at all-time highs. Like, there's no point on trading something to the upside when it's almost at all-time highs. We buy at the lows, we sell at the highs. Not the other way around. Tesla looking pretty weak. I've been waiting for Tesla to pull back to 370 forever, since September. Am I finally gonna have that pullback? 370. I have alerts there around 370, 360. So yeah, I don't like this price action on ES and NQ. I really like Microsoft and Amazon. We need the market to hold so these swing trades can play out. And I'm done for this morning. I had 2 red trades, one with ES, another one with NQ, and I can do one more trade, but I'm only gonna do it if I see the price action getting better. If the price action is still the same, very jumpy, very fakey, I'm not gonna take any more trades and I'm gonna end the day red. So I'll be here tomorrow, guys. Remember to like the video. And if you like me to do these streams and you want to do the futures challenge with me, remember to use Apex IDR for the discount on Apex, and if you use Tradeify or TPT, just use ADR for the discount codes. Thank you guys for being here. I'll see you again mañana. Bye.